How to enable private browsing in Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to use your Reddit app in incognito mode? Then you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. Open up your Reddit app, and then you will see your profile icon on the top right. Tap on it, and then you will see your username and a drop down beside it. Tap on the drop down and you'll see anonymous browsing. Tap on it, and that's it. You have enabled private browsing, and then it won't be saved. So your browsing and search history won't be saved, and you won't receive personalized recommendations. So hit OK. And then now, if you want to turn it off, just tap here again on the profile icon and then tap on Leave Anonymous Browsing. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.